In this video, we're going to show you how to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures on Windows, so you can avoid performance issues and keep your system running smoothly. Monitoring your GPU temperature is crucial to avoid overheating, thermal throttling, or even system shutdowns. Keeping your GPU cool ensures that you maintain great performance and prolong the lifespan of your hardware. Let's explore several methods you can use to monitor these temperatures effectively. First, let's look at Windows Task Manager. This is one of the simplest ways to check GPU temperature. Launch Task Manager, head over to the Performance tab, and locate the GPU Performance Monitor. Here, you'll see real-time data on GPU usage, along with a chart showing usage trends. It's a handy way to get a quick temperature snapshot. Next, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can use NVIDIA SMI. This command line tool provides quick, detailed information about your GPU. Simply open the command prompt and type in NVIDIA SME. You'll receive an output showing the GPU temperature in Celsius. This is a simple and effective method for keeping tabs on your GPU health. Another great option is GPU Z. This lightweight application is packed with features to help you monitor your hardware. Download GPU Z, open it, and go to the Sensors tab. Here, you can track both CPU and GPU temperatures in real time, as well as other performance metrics. It's an all-in-one tool that gives you the data you need at a glance. For a more user-friendly experience, consider using GPU Temp. This application provides your GPU temperature and load in real time, and it can update the information right in your system tray. It's perfect for gamers or anyone who overclocks, as you're always aware of your GPU's status without having to dig through menus. Monitoring your CPU and GPU temperatures is essential for maintaining optimal system performance and preventing any potential damage. Start monitoring today to ensure your hardware stays healthy and performs at its best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Let's keep those systems cool.